Hello, in this JavaScript video I am going to show you the conditional operator. I think you can guess it's an operator that allows you to check some sort of condition. I'm going to be honest, I'm not a big fan of the conditional operator. I generally don't like using it simply because I don't like the syntax, the format of it. I would rather use a conditional statement such as an if statement, but I think it is important to show you the different programming features, even if I particularly don't like them. So you can choose which ones you want to use, but I'll give you my opinion as well. So okay, what we're going to do is create a couple of variables. So var num1, assign this a value of 9, var num2, assign this a value of 100. Doesn't really matter what they are. And we're going to create another variable. I'm going to call it result equals, and this is going to be our conditional operator. So what we do is put brackets, then we put some sort of check, the sort of checks that we've done before in the previous videos that allow us to actually, check if two variables are the same. So the equal operator, the not equal to the greater than, so basically the comparison operators. So you put one of them in here, it doesn't really matter which one, you can choose. I'm simply going to say num1 double equal to num2. So does num1 equal num2? And we know it doesn't. And then what you do is put a question mark, and now you put a value. So if I put, let's say, yay, and then I'll put colon nay, semicolon this up. Let me just reduce the size of this. So what this is saying, if num1 equals num2, then assign this value. It doesn't have to be a string, it could be an object, it could be a number, it doesn't really matter. Assign this value to result. Otherwise, if this condition fails, assign nay. So if we do console.log and print out the result of that, refresh, we get nay, because 9 does not equal 100. If I change this to 100, however, and reload, we get yay, because it does equal it. And honestly, that's it. I could put, less than, and if I were to put that, if I were to put that, 100 is not less than 100, they are the same, therefore it assigns nay. Again, you can put any comparison operator, any combination of them, and if the result of what's in these brackets is true, then it will assign this value. Otherwise, it assigns this value. So that's it for the conditional operator. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. The GitHub link will be available so you can check out the source code as well. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.